Big Al's RCs. Check out what I've got. So I've got the front knuckles from my Arrma Kraton EXP V1, and I've got the rear hubs from my Arrma Kraton V1, and these look absolutely beautiful. So before I start, I'd like to say a big thank you to David at Scorched Parts for sorting me these out. And I kid you not, I can't wait to get these on the truck. So we're going to get them open. We're going to have a look at how gorgeous they look, and then I'm going to stick you on a time lapse while I get them fitted. So let's open them and let's have a look. Guys, they look absolutely beautiful. You can see it's shining. Oh my god, look well nice. Oversized bearings on the inside as well. Nice bearings on the outside. Oversized bearings, which, reading on the website for Scorched Parts, these have twice the load rating of the bog standard bearings, which I'm not going to lie to you, they're crap. Many times have I had them explode on me. If you watch my last video that I did at Borough on the Hill with my mate Steve, Flipside RC, you'll see that the inner bearing on my front, I blew it out and I had to replace it, which is probably the second bearing I blew out in 3 bashes. And you know me, I don't go easy on my truck. It does take a hell of a kicking, hence why it's being upgraded with these. So I'm going to get the other one out. I'm going to get all the shims out. Oh my god, they do look so nice. They do look very nice. Look, got more stickers. I've lost count of the amount of stickers I've got from Dave. It's always good to have stickers. So they're the bolts that go on the top, and then you even get 2 little shims to go on where your hex carrier goes on. Get rid of all that slop and all that play, which is probably the best thing to do, because if anyone does own a Kraton EXP, or any Kraton for that matter, you will know that they have a lot of slop, especially if you're still running the plastic ones. More stickers. Yeah, so the plastic hub carriers instructions, they do create a lot of slop. Oh look, you even get extra shims as well. How awesome is that? Look, you already get shims in the packet anyway. Oh, these bits, titanium. Oh my god, I can't wait to get these on the truck. Oh my god, guys, look at these. So again, normal side bearing on the outside, oversized bearing on the inside. Again, double the load capacity of what the bog standard bearings are. And look, you know Dave, guys, look, brand everything. Oh my god, these look so nice. Right, I'm going to leave them screws in the packet because otherwise I'm going to lose them. Right, so what I'm going to do, I am going to get the truck up on the table. We're going to flip through this because the way they go in, you've got the shims, all your inserts. Yeah, that's quite complex and technical to get it all in, get it all shimmed up, get it all perfect. But one thing I do like about these is, so look, don't know if you can see this, where it says inner PTFE shell and outer PTFE shell. Well, I work with plastic every single day of the week, and I know for a fact that PTFE is not cheap. It's probably one of the most expensive plastics you can get. So, with the fact of how much detail go into these, titanium plates to hold it all in, and with these being PTFE, oh, shaky camera, but yeah, with these being PTFE, guys, oh my god, the engineering that Dave's put into this is unreal. Right, let me get the truck on the table. I'll put you on time lapse. We'll get them fitted, and I am so looking forward to seeing how this looks in the end. All right, so give me a minute. Alright guys, it was a bit of a faff to try and shim them up because I've got old ball bearings. Well, say ball bearings. The ball ends that go into your arms, you know what I mean? So they are old and they are a bit warm. So I had to put an extra shim or two in each one. But they all fit up absolutely beautiful. And with the little shims that you get from Dave, you put them in there, and honestly, got no slop now whatsoever in the axles. They all fit up really, really nice. They look beautiful. So I've used these off my old plastic ones because the GPM ones that I do have, I've already got the arms on them. So I had to take them off the old plastic ones. So bear in mind, if you do get these, you do have to get them as well, if you don't already have them. But guys, they look sick. And because they fit that well, I've had to put the red washers back on so my drive shafts fit correctly, because if you remember rightly, I shaved these off. So my old ones, the axles were going a little bit further, but now because these fit so well, I've had to put them back on just to give the shaft some room, so when the suspension is compressed, the drive shaft don't smash my diff cup in sideways. But that is the front on, looking good and gorgeous. So I'm now going to do the rears. So that should be pretty straightforward because there's no shimming involved in that. It's literally just swap it over, bang them on. So let's get that one done. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. So fronts are on, looking beautiful. The rears are on, looking absolutely stunning. Do not pay attention to the state of the truck, it is very dirty. So at the moment as well, I'm also fitting these fans. I'm just waiting now for some 45mm screws so I can fit them onto my ESC. But if you look, they're sitting on fuel tubing, which also gives it shock mitigation thanks to Ease Tactics. So these are the screws I got with his fan originally that I won from the Ease Tactics mod box. So there's already got the shock mitigation on the top, and then I've added the fuel tubing at the bottom, and I will be doing the same to that one on my ESC. But again, the screws haven't come yet, and both of these, once this was all tidied up, will be running off a 4S LiPo, and they kick out some serious amount of wind. So just a quick run over of the truck. So what I have on it now is obviously scorched knuckles, scorched hubs, scorched hinge pin holders front and at the back, and at the back there. So you see there, scorched bulkhead. I do have the output drive cups as well, front and rear. Obviously bulkhead there. The standoffs are scorched. The Arrma bar is scorched. The upper hinge pin brace is scorched. I think at the moment that's about it. But more will be coming. I do want to get the rotary lock motor mount. Obviously I do want to get the chassis. That one is a no-brainer. If there is anything else I can get, I will try and get it, but that's just going to come over time. But at the moment it is looking good. Also, someone's mentioned to me about my Jubilee clips I have on the front. So I got them on the front. Also have them on the rears as well. Reason being, so they go around the arms, right? Yeah. Oh yeah, forgot about that. Titanium skid plate as well, also from Scorched. So they go around the hinge pins, right? And they go around the fronts. So they stop the holes from stretching out. So if you take a bad landing on the front end and your arm bends backwards, normally it stretches the holes and the hinge pin rips through the arms. These Jubilee clips pull it in tight. So look where they go through. One goes through there, that one goes through there, and the rears do the same. Alright, so they go through the biggest gap next to the shocks. That pulls the plastic in dead tight, stops them holes from elongating, and it stops the pins from ripping it through. I've had them on now for, well, I've lost count, probably over a year, and these arms have never broken. I kid you not, they are stupidly strong now. So if you ever want to do that, fill your boots. You're probably going to want a 30 diameter, give or take, Jubilee clip to get around the whole lot. But there is enough room in there, look. There is enough clearance, so your arms still flex. As long as these bits are far enough away either side, then it won't interfere and hit the bulkhead. So you'll have plenty of room. And guys, it makes the truck stupidly strong. You've all seen my tumbles that I've had in my last few videos, the amount of crashes I've had, knocks I've had, and they still haven't broke. So I can honestly tell you they are tried and tested and they work perfectly. Alright, so I'm all done now. All I've got to do is put the wheels back on, mount my fan up, and I am ready to go out for a bash. In the UK, today is Friday. On Monday, it is a bank holiday. So no work, thank God. But I do have a few mates coming down, fellow YouTubers. We're going out for a bash at the playground, hopefully, if it's not busy. If not, we're going to go to the abandoned BMX track we went to a few weeks ago. And so a video will be coming soon on that. So please like, share, subscribe, smash the bell, and you will see these being absolutely terrorized and put through a durability test. And we will see how good they are. I mean, being scorched parts, they're going to be amazing. That one's just a given. But guys, for now, that is me. I'm done. Need to go wash my hands, they're a bit dirty. But yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Big out.